Zogi Entertainment Limited presents Yes You Can Nigeria reality show. Do you know how to act or sing? Are you a comedian or you've got special talents? 1 house, 20 housemates, 30 days and 3 winners. First prize brand new car, 1 million cash worth of prizes and 2 years movie contract. Second prize 500,000 worth of prizes and 2 years movie contract. Third prize 1 year movie deal. For more inquiries call 081 395 22490. Yes You Can Nigeria, promoting Nigeria made enterprise.
Yeah, this food is sweet.
Thank you, Nai.
Who cooked it? You or your mother? Eh?
My but I know how to cook very well.
I
can cook more than
and you? Eat and say stop talking.
I can cook very well.
I say stop talking. Yeah, eat. Oh, Obinaya. How are you? You are welcome, man. Join us. Wash your hands and join us.
Welcome. You met us for
Now you know from there I've been receiving the animal.
Yes, it's the work of my wife. Your sister. She's a wonderful cook. This food is very delicious. Yeah, thank you for helping us dig that hole for the pit toilet.
Easy be the one now from
Easy a bit in a bag.
Father, sorry. Father, sorry. Father, sorry. Sorry, Father. Mother.
It's crazy.
Mother. Mother.
Whoever did this, my spirit will never rest until you're brought to justice.
You did, my brother. Chidi. Rima. Rima. Agada. Obinna. Obinna. What are you doing? Your parents have been looking for you all over the village. Did you eat the food with them? Obinna. 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 Your parents have been looking for you all over. So, you ate this food with them? Ajonwa! Ajonwa! Agada! Iwubero! Mbano! Igahu! Agada! Igahu! Igahu! Agada! Agada! Wo! Wo! Agada! Wo! Agada! Wo! Agwangwa Igahu! Igahu! Everybody come on! I don't know what happened to them, his family. Either my brother, his family. Hey! Hey! Wait! Hey! Hey! Piano! Hey! Hey! Piano! I don't know what happened to them, my brother and his family.
I had this dream again. 3 big-headed people were chasing me.
Amala, instead of you helping me out with this vegetable, you fell asleep by this time of the day and had your spirit dreams again. Eh?
But you know I went to the stream today. I needed to rest.
And you ended up having dreams about your spirit friends?
Boy, it is strange. Why do I keep dreaming about those people?
You have been told by the great Dibi of our land, when mother told him about the strange dreams you've been having, that it has something to do with your future.
But I didn't explain more than that to mother.
Yes, she said that's all the gods revealed to her. But you shouldn't worry.
I will worry. I will worry. Because I'm tired of seeing those people in my dream.
Amala, spirits, not people.
Adama, keep laughing. Just keep laughing.
Please come and help me with these vegetables. Oh, mother will soon be back and the food is not yet ready. Oh, spirit girl, please. Spirit girl. My children, I can see the food is not ready yet. Mother, don't worry. The food will soon be ready. Okay, I've heard you.
But how's the market?
My dear, the market was beautiful. As you can see, I sold everything. The gods are wise, my dear. My children, the gods are always wise. Better hurry up. Hurry up, let's cook. Mother must have been hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Eh? Hungry. Spirit girl. You first.
Nne, I wonder why I'm not going with you to the market today.
But you know it's turn by turn. Today is not your turn, okay? You will go to the farm and check on our crops. That is what you will do for me today. And don't go there and start dreaming about those big-headed spirits.
Hey!
Yeah! Please shut up your mouth. I have warned you severally to stop using that on her. What kind of joke is that?
Nne, tell her. Just tell her.
Mala. I was only joking. You're my lovely sister and I love you so much. Okay? Cheer up. Are you not going to wish us well?
Okay, say well.
Say. Okay, let's go.
Is it not the girl that dreams about spirits?
Obosi, it's like you are drunk this morning.
I drink because drink keeps me happy. Is it? Don't you forget? I'm happy.
But you know it's not good to be a drunkard.
You see, people think that drunkards are fools. But drunkards know that people are the fools. You see, nobody is useless in life, my job. Even termites are good. Termites, they are good. They are good. Because they help in eating people's body when they die. James, are termites not worse than people?
Obosi, you and this your talk, eh?
I might be a drunk, but I know what people don't know. I know your father. Your father is a very good man. Wise man before he died. And your mother too. She's a good woman. For raising 2 daughters, all alone. And you are always dreaming about spirits. You see, dreams tell us what will happen in the future. You don't know who you are, but I know. I see. Don't worry. Because Obosi knows what people don't know. Go to the farm.
Mother, what is it? Hey! Mother! Mother! Hey! Mother! Ah! Somebody help me! Ah! Mother, please don't do this to us. Mother, don't do this to us. Ah! Mother! Ah!
It's now 12 market days since mother died.
It feels so lonely in this world.
We have to be strong. We have to keep this family going.
Our kingsman suggested we should get married.
When the right man comes, we will. But until then, we have to keep this compound going.
I had a dream last night. The three-headed people.
The gods knows your destiny. Now you can see the noise.
Good morning, my daughters. The gods watch over their own. There is a young man who is making inquiries about you girls. He is from Nda clan. I am still waiting for him to show some seriousness. Meanwhile, there is a farmer who is coming from another land to farm for me. Amala.
Nice.
You will keep their young daughter company and also assist them in whichever way you can. And you got well paid for it.
I have done that kind of job before.
As orphans, you need work to survive.
When are they coming?
I will tell you. Yes, my daughter.
What about the last man that stayed in that hut?
I don't know, but he left that very morning as he was supposed to.
He left without seeing you?
I'll see you there.
He told me he was leaving in the morning. But that's not my concern now. My concern is that we are being paid for a job.
It's okay. You must survive, okay? Just be strong for me.
Agbomma. 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 Hurry, we have a long journey ahead of us.
Where is my husband?
Chamaka. What about you?
I'm ready to father.
Good. Okay. Let's go.
Let's rest a while. I think we've rested enough. We have to get to our destination before the sun sets. Come on, are you ready?
What for? Good evening, man. Eh? Welcome.
Yes, sir.
No. What for? Good evening.
My wife, Aboma.
No.
My lovely daughter, Chiamaka.
Ada, how are you? Welcome. Welcome to Abani land. Without wasting time, let me show you where you'll be staying. Come. Let me take you. Come, Adabia. Ada. Wafo. Wafo, this is where you'll be staying until you are done with the job.
No one stays here.
She said no one stays here. Wafo, you see, this place used to be owned by a clansman of mine. Yeah, Wanam. Yeah, but he died without having any child to inherit this place as next of kin. So I now took over. Yes. So you can just go in and make yourself comfortable.
It's alright. So long as it's providing a place for the body to rest after the day's work.
What matters is after the day's job, you can see somebody used to come here time to time to clean it. Somebody just cleaned it. You can see everywhere, tidied up. So just go in and feel at home. Okay? Meanwhile, I will be going now. I have a meeting at the palace. Let me run along. Okay?
Okay.
I will come back in the morning to see you.
It's alright.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ada? Lest I forget. I almost forgot. I have also instructed a young girl by name Amala. Yes, Amala. So she will be coming here to Yamaka. She will be there to help you.
Dalo.
Yes.
Thanks so much.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Wafo, just relax. This is your home.
Thanks so much.
Oh yeah, Kanje meeting. Ada? Bye.
Everywhere looks peaceful.
Yes. Chamaka.
Well, Father.
Hope you like it here.
Well, Father, I hope I will have friends to play with.
My precious daughter. Don't worry. You know we just arrived here. I believe soon we'll find the right friends to play with. Alright?
You like it?
This is the farmland you and your family are here to cultivate for me.
Okay. The job will be done.
I hope so. You are here highly recommended by a good friend of mine. And he gave me the assurance you are a very hard-working man.
You're right.
I hope you will complete the job so soon.
The job will be done. Don't worry yourself.
Okay. So, when do you intend to start?
In 2 days' time.
2 days' time?
Yes.
Ogadrokwa.
You know, we just arrived, so we need some time to settle down first.
Ogadrokwa.
Don't worry yourself. Ichie, don't worry yourself.
There is no time.
I know, the job will be done. Okay?
Okay. Kind up. Let's go.
My husband, do you think you will finish the farm work on time?
The gods give me strength.
I need a friend that I can play with.
Don't worry. Okosisi has promised to get someone to be keeping you company. Oh?
It's the person that urged me.
Chiamaka, I don't think so.
Whoever it is must be a nice person. Someone you can play with. Oh? Why eat your food?
But
Chiamaka, eat your food so you get ready and go and sleep. It's late and children are not meant to be talking too much at night. DM.
Who are you?
What are you doing here?
I saw a friend there.
Friend? Friend here? Chiamaka, when did grasshoppers and lizards turn your friend? There is no friend here. See, this place is dangerous. Something might bite you now and you start crying. Eh? There is no friend here. Did you hear me? Let's go. There is no friend. Let's go. Oh. Don't come here again, no. After that, you start crying for me. You know how you can cry. Who are you?
Greetings. Ichiokosisi sent me here to help out.
Oh. You are the girl he sent. You're welcome. This is my daughter Chiamaka. My husband has gone to start work at Ichiokosisi's farm.
Ichiokosisi also told me that you people were brought here to do a job.
Yes. We'll leave as soon as the farming season is over.
Are you my friend? Yes, I'm your friend. My name is Amala. And you are Chiamaka.
Yes. Are you going to be playing with me?
I will.
Are you going to tell me a lot of stories?
I will.
Now you're here. I hope to be joining my husband at the farm most morning.
There's no problem, since Ichiokosisi is paying me.
See Eba, from to this place and this side, everywhere. I have also shown you the other land there by the riverside. Okay.
That wouldn't be a problem. I will set to work immediately.
So now that I have shown you the portion of land, you are to work. You understand me? So Mabia Nabazia?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay. I would want to invite you today at my compound so that you meet some elders, some leaders, you understand me, of this community. They have to know you. For them to know why you are here, you also know them.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much. I appreciate it.
Oh, Barudu. Oh, Makwa. You can come with your wife.
Really?
Yes, you can go there.
That wouldn't be a problem. Thank you so much.
Oh no, you baby, don't go.
Oh, Subo.
Okay. So I'll be going.
Oh, it's alright.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I will set to work immediately.
Oh, video go.
Amala, we are off to Okosisi's compound. Please, take good care of Chiamaka. Oh? We'll be back before sunset.
Please, I want to come with you.
No, my daughter. The meeting is for grown-ups. Don't worry. Amala here will take care of you. Oh? She will give you whatever you want.
Don't worry, when coming back, I'll get you something, oh?
Bye-bye.
Please, take good care of her. And help me with the vegetables in the kitchen.
Okay, no problem.
Amaka. Don't worry, I'll soon be back.
Okay, come and stay here. Let me go and get the mats. Come on, sit. So tell me. Welcome. Welcome.
Ned, please come and help me in the kitchen, oh? So that we'll make some food. My children went out.
No problem. Let me join her.
Sure.
I welcome you and your wife to this land.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you so much.
These are my kinsmen. You already know Wafo. And his family, you already know them. Natano. They are still from one here.
How about that business I was discussing with you?
I almost forgot. In fact, I forgot. Come, let's go and talk.
I've been to this land before, haven't you?
Yeah, sure. 2 seasons ago. when I came to farm for Ichie. That reminds me. I heard he's now late.
Oh! This is what mother I'm going to do.
Such a nice man.
That reminds me, I like your handbag. I call Ramaka. Is he going about farming to get
Thank you. Man must struggle to survive.
I'll enjoy you.
Sure. I am. So far, so good. It feels like home.
That reminds me, the people that used to live here. The family just died off in one season.
What happened?
Nobody knows. What we heard is that they all died after eating one bowl of cassava and the mushi soup.
How many people died?
Listen!
5.
Listen! The father, the mother, the son, and even a friend of the family, they all died. The only brother, the wife, and they all died.
Who died?
I was telling him about their late brother.
Mwafo, Ide, my late brother. Ide was a very nice man. The whole village, they all knew Ide. A very nice man.
Chai, it's not more about but
Such a sad story.
Tabana, ano.
Agana ngonko makana ana ngonko na buta bobala na adi. Tapi penni. Nko na to ma bonye uta. Nko di usa. Ma bonye uta.
Which song do you know? I don't know. Okay, I'm going to sing for you. Onye tiru neba kwa. Egbe tiru neba kwa. Chiamaka memba kwa. Egbe tiru neba kwa. So let's sing together. Onye tiru neba kwa. Egbe tiru neba kwa. Chiamaka memba kwa. Egbe tiru neba kwa. Can't you sing it? No. They sang the song for you, Chiamaka. So let's sing again. Onye tiru neba kwa. Egbe tiru neba kwa. Chiamaka memba kwa. Egbe tiru neba kwa. Onye tiru neba kwa. Egbe tiru neba kwa. Chiamaka memba kwa. Egbe tiru neba kwa. Onye tiru neba kwa. Egbe tiru neba kwa. Chiamaka memba kwa. Egbe tiru neba kwa.
And that reminds me, I brought this meat for Tamaka. I hope she likes it.
That's good. You know she likes meat a lot.
That one. She took after you now.
I told you people of Albany are welcoming people.
They are.
Help! Help, Amala! Help! Help! Help, Amala! Help! Help! Help, Amala!
Amala.
Welcome.
You're still on the vegetable. I see.
Where is Chamaka?
She's sleeping on the mat.
Where? Where is she?
Help, Amala!
That's her voice I'm hearing.
Chamaka! Amala!
Chamaka!
Chamaka! Chamaka!
Chamaka! Chamaka! Chamaka!
Chamaka!
She got my daughter. She fell into the pit. Chamaka, I'm so sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. Please come outside. Come outside. Please. So sorry, okay? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My daughter. My daughter. Hey.
I saw something moving into a bush. I followed it and I fell inside the pit.
You saw something?
Yes,
How did it look like?
it looked like a friend.
A friend?
Yes.
Nai, her body is getting hot. You should take her to heal her.
A healer lives nearby.
Yes. I was shown his place by your Sisi. Let's take her there immediately. Nemo.
Mala, let's stay behind and watch over the house. We'll soon be back.
Gods of our land, God of justice. Oro no mume o. Anyị ma na ọkụkọ nwe ogbenye bụ efi ya. She'll be okay.
Are you sure she'll be fine?
Woman, you must have faith. The gods operate where there is faith. said this. Rub it on her body every night for 3 nights. She will recover fully. Take her home.
How much will I pay?
Come and thank the gods when she recovers. Take her home.
Seems like I'm not alone. How is she?
The healer said she will be okay. She gave us some herb to use on her for 3 days.
She's sleeping peacefully.
Oh yes, she is.
Maybe she saw a ghost.
No, Amala. No ghost stories around my daughter.
Oh, it's true. Ghosts exist. I know so.
I won't let you put fear into my daughter. Is this what you've been telling her? Ghost stories? I'm gonna leave my compound.
I should leave?
Yes, leave.
Okay.
And don't come back. There will be no more ghost stories. Especially now we are in another man's land. What one doesn't know won't kill. Ouch. Sorry, my daughter. Sorry.
Amala, what is it? You don't look happy. Amala, I'm talking to you.
Wafo told me to leave his compound.
But why?
Just because I told him that there are ghost presence in that house. Hey. Then he said I shouldn't be saying it in front of his daughter.
Amala, your dreams are beginning to affect you.
No, but I'm serious. There are ghost presence in that
Don't
compound.
tell me that! Stop this!
Serious. I don't want to hear this. I'm serious. There are ghosts.
Did you apply the herbs the healer gave us on her?
Yes, my husband. I did.
She'll be fine. She will. Let me fetch some water and have my bath.
You didn't go to the stream to take your bath?
No.
Alright.
I beginning to see things?
I had something inside there.
Are you sure?
I'm sure I had something.
What? I can't see anything.
No, I said I had something. I had a noise.
Let's go and sleep. Oh?
Don't touch my daughter!
I thought I saw something.
Me too. Chiamaka. Chiamaka. Chiamaka, wake up, wake up, wake up. Chiamaka. 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 Wake up, let's go sleep. Oh, take this one inside.
Chamaka, I'm coming.
Oh, Bossy, my good friend.
Laugh.
Greetings to you.
Greetings. I can see you are going to the farm.
Oh, yes. I'm going to the... It's what I came to this village for.
Yeah, I go farm.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, how is your family doing?
Better than me.
Oh, I see.
And yours?
We are fine. But my daughter Chiamaka developed a little fever yesterday.
Oh, have you given her some herbs?
Oh, yes. Yes. We took her to the healer's place and he gave us some herbs to be using on her.
She will be alright. Nothing will happen to her. And buying a boy. Our land here.
Thank you so much.
She'll be fine.
Thank you so much. Thank you, huh? Thank you. Obosi, you said something the other time. That the family who used to stay at the hut where I and my family stay now died of food poisoning.
That's correct. Anything the matter?
Never mind, eh? Never mind. Mba, oh? Obosi, may the day bring to us good things.
That's no matter. I know.
They say... I see you're enjoying yourself.
Of course.
Obosi!
so worried about my daughter. All she does is sleep, wake up, and sleeps back again.
But the fever is not too much again.
It's not high and it's not low either.
I'll give you a herb that you apply on her. Wait. Take. Mix it with palm oil and apply it on her.
Will this get her back on her feet?
She will get back on her feet.
How much do I pay you?
I don't collect anything unless my patient is healed.
Alright, thank you. Let me hurry back home. I left her all alone in the compound. She's not getting any better.
Even after giving her the new herbs from the healer?
Yes. I even changed her clothes after applying the herbs the healer gave me, so she can get some fresh air, to no avail. Nah, it seems this land is not good for our daughter. I think I should take her back to her land, so you can stay here and finish up the job.
I thought of that too, but she needs to get better.
If you say so, let me finish up what I was doing in the kitchen.
It's alright. You'll be fine, my daughter. You'll be fine.
Where are you taking my daughter? Isimpi, Dinapampi. Bring back my daughter! Bring back my daughter! Bring back my daughter! Bring back my daughter! Bring back my daughter!
Wafo, can you fire upon this kind of thing? Upon again, okay, say Fuzi.
No, Amalo, I don't know. Amalomo.
Don't worry, don't worry. Your daughter cannot miss like that. We must find her. We must find her. Let's hurry now to the palace. Oh, let's hurry now.
Please, please.
Don't worry. I said don't worry. She can't just... No, it's not possible. Let's go. Let's hurry. So, but we'll stop over at the palace. Igwe will give us some gas. Let's go.
Okay. Let's go.
She cannot miss like that.
Why? Let's go.
Okosisi, what is happening? Okosisi, what is happening?
Cool down. Relax. Okay, relax. The guys, they've gone in search of your daughter. She will be found. Take it easy.
They are here. They are here.
I searched every bush around this place, but I couldn't find your daughter.
No, my daughter cannot be missing now.
I went as far as Ngene in search of her, but she couldn't be found. Don't worry, we'll continue the search across the whole land in the morning. What? Why morning? Why can't we continue the search this night? What if something happens to her before morning?
I went as far as streams. We continue the search in the morning. Your daughter will be found. Let's go back to the palace.
No, you are going nowhere. We must continue the search this night.
Mwafo. Take it easy. Where you? Your daughter will be found, okay? Tomorrow morning they continue the search.
No. Nothing. Nothing is going to happen to her. Okay?
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Hey! Amadioha! I promise you that. I will. Amaka! I understand how you feel. Oh? Please come down. I promise you that. Wait, Amaka. We will find her. We are looking for her. We will find her. Oh, please. Amaka! Please stand up. She's also my daughter. Please. We will find her. Amaka!
Stop telling me not to worry. Stop telling me not to worry. Why would I worry? Jamaka! Amaka! I find my daughter.
Please, we will find her.
Find my daughter.
Please, just calm yourself down.
Jamaka!
Yes, calm yourself down. Our daughter is missing.
How is she like?
A girl of between 8 to 9 days.
You say such a girl.
No, let me you've seen her. Let me you've seen my daughter now. Oh my God.
It's okay. We'll find her. It's okay. No, calm now. Calm. We'll find her. Don't worry. Calm yourself down. Oh, Biko. Oh, calm yourself down.
Oh!
It's fine. We'll find her. Oh?
No.
It's okay.
Now what do we do? We cannot sit back and watch our only child get missing.
Mbano. It's not possible. Eh? For the fact that we are in another man's land, it's not helping matters at all. Eh? Wait a minute. I think I need to see Amala now.
I see anybody you want to see.
Don't worry.
Don't bring back my daughter for me.
I'm coming. Don't go anywhere. Oh? I need to see Amala now. Do not go anywhere. I'm coming, okay?
Gods of our land.
Greetings to you.
Yes.
Greetings. Please, I'm looking for Amala's hut.
Amala's hut, yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
Amala.
Just this way.
Okay.
This way, yes.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Anybody home? Anybody home?
What are you doing here?
Amala, please, I need your help.
You need my help?
Yes.
But you sent me away from your hut.
Hey, Amala, I'm so sorry. Please. I acted out of ignorance. Pico, you were right.
How?
Chiamaka is missing.
I'm coming.
Okay. We are not living alone in the compound.
Ghost?
I don't know. I saw someone or something that mentioned the words Isimpi Dinakbanki and just understand.
That sounds familiar.
Really?
Yes. In fact, I know the man that uses that statement. Everyone knows him.
Oh, Amara, where can I find him?
I will take you somewhere first.
Will it help?
Yes. Let's go.
What are we doing here?
Why ask?
This is the same place we brought Chiamaka to.
Really?
Yes.
I thought she would help you in locating your daughter. But wait, let me check if she's home.
Where is he?
He was here. Wait, I'm coming.
You're troubling trouble.
Stop! Where's my daughter?
What's Chiamaka doing down here? Something is wrong with all this place.
You ran away from the healer's house. And what are you doing here?
The boy I saw ran past the healer's place and ran into this compound.
This compound?
Yes.
This is Mazio Korea's compound.
Why is he walking like that?
He's blind. Mazio Korea, greetings.
Who greets?
It's me, Amala. Daughter to Ichi Menuba.
Oh, Amala. How are you? Good. Ah, you're not alone.
Yes.
Isimpi Dinabambi.
I heard that word last night. Who are you? My name is Nwafo, a farmer from Obodachina. I go from village to village where my work is needed.
You're welcome to my compound. Kojembe Enwilo.
Iche, Nwafo here said he saw a boy run into this compound.
The boy?
Yes.
Into this compound?
Yes. Amala told me the hut I am staying in with my wife and daughter might be home for ghosts.
Which hut are you talking about?
It's Ichi Okosisi late brother's compound.
What did you just say?
I am in this land to farm for Ichie Okosisi. We've been expressing the presence of other beings in the compound. I never believed it when Amara said there might be ghost presence in the compound.
What? Ghost? Spirit?
I don't know. The same boy that took my daughter is the same boy I saw run into this compound.
Tell me, how does the boy look like?
He's bald-headed, big ears, bulky eyes. Something I will never forget. He said, Isimpi dinakpankpi.
What did you just say the boy said?
Isimpi dinakpankpi.
Hey! Amadio! Amadio, hello!
Nai, what's the problem?
From the description you gave and the words, it simply did not bambi. The person you're talking about is my son. He died 12 seasons ago.
What?
Yes.
I said it. I said it. Ghost.
What is this? What is this old bee doing here?
I still see my dead son sometimes in my dreams. The way and manner he died is still a mystery to me.
How did he die?
Good question. He went visiting to the family living in that same hut you are staying in. I was told they all died after eating some meal. My son crawled in pain. Yes, in pain. And fell into a hole near the hut.
The same hole my daughter fell into.
Your daughter?
Yes.
Yes. She fell into a hole.
I have heard the story about the poisoning. But the one of your son dying inside the hole is a new thing to me.
The question actually has always been who poisoned them all. I believe and I think the spirit of my son is restless.
That explains why he has been appearing.
I think he's trying to tell us something. He's trying to pass a message. But why take my daughter? Why take my daughter?
You see why I told you let's go and see the healer?
The healer?
Yes. Nai, we are going.
Okay, my daughter. Stranger!
No.
Don't forget to look for your daughter.
Thank you.
May the mystery surrounding the death of my son be solved.
Thank you.
I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, my little children.
There are dead souls hovering around, screaming for justice, screaming to rest in peace.
Is it the boy?
There is more to this. From what I see, there are dead souls crying out.
What about my daughter?
I see danger. Danger.
Is she alive?
Yes, for now. But we have to hurry. Come back tomorrow. Dead souls are crying.
But why waste any more time? My daughter's safety is very important.
Strange. Her life is no longer in your hands to protect. Her destiny is in the hands of the gods. Come back tomorrow. I need to prepare.
But
let's just go. Don't question the gods. We are going. Let's go.
When you get home, your wife will show you something. Ask her questions. Ask her hard questions.
I have to go home and prepare meal.
Okay. Thank you so much,
I want you to have faith in the healer. She heals both the body and spiritual problems.
It's okay, no problem.
I will meet you at her place tomorrow.
Alright. Thank you.
Any news about my daughter?
I discovered some things that might be going wrong.
Things like what?
What is this you're holding?
Nah, I found it inside the hole. It's fine, no problem.
You entered the hole?
Nah, what do you expect a troubled mother like me to do? When my only child is missing, I was looking for solutions inside the hole now.
The healer said you will show me something when I get home.
The healer?
We need to see Okosisi. Now.
Why do we need to see Okosisi?
Don't worry, I will explain everything on the way to his house, okay? Let's go.
I hope he hasn't.
Let's worry, let's fly. Ichiokosi, my wife said she found this in the hole our daughter fell into.
Why show it to me?
You don't recognize this?
I still ask. Why are you showing it to me?
Okay. I was at the healer's place earlier today. She said when I got home, my wife will show me something. And I should ask you strong questions about it. I got home, my wife showed me this bead. That she found it inside the hole our daughter fell into. There should be a reason why the healer asked me to bring this to you.
Why didn't the healer say this all this while? Why now?
So you know about this? Ichiokosi, if there is anything you are hiding, you better say it now, because the gods are involved. If you know anything about my daughter's disappearance,
I know nothing about your daughter's disappearance.
But you know about this thing.
I repeat, I know nothing about your daughter's disappearance.
Okosi, you are lying. Ichiokosi, I said you are lying. Why should the healer ask me to come here to ask me strong questions about it? Why?
I insist, I know nothing about your daughter's disappearance. But the bead, yes. I poisoned their food.
What? Nai.
Yes. I poisoned their food. I had to do it. I had to do it. I was jealous of my brother and his family. My brother was prospering more than me. He got invited to occasions more than I got invited. His children were more intelligent than mine. Everybody in the village, they all regarded me, Okosisi, as a nobody. So I wanted to prove that I was also a man.
Ide! Ide! Ide small name, okay, Ide! Ide! Erima! Erima! Chidi! Chidi! Agada! Agada! Ide! 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 Ide, someone now, okay? Ide!
What? I'm going.
Yeah. This food is sweet.
Thank you, Nai.
Who cooked it? You or your mother? Eh?
Oh, my But I know how to cook very well.
I can cook more than.
And you? Mother, eat and first stop talking.
I can cook very well.
I say stop talking. Yeah, eat. Oh, Obinaya. Ewo. How are you? You are welcome. Join us. Wash your hands and join us.
Welcome. You met us for
You know, from there I've been perceiving the animal.
Yes, it's the work of my wife. Your sister. She's a wonderful cook. This food is very delicious. Yeah, thank you for helping us dig that hole for the pit toilet.
Father, sorry. Father, sorry. Father, sorry. Sorry, Father. Mother!
It's crazy.
Mother! What is happening here? Mother!
Whoever did this
my spirit will never rest until you're brought to justice.
Ide, my brother. Chidi. Herima. Herima. Agada. Obinna. Obinna. What are you doing? Your parents have been looking for you all over the village. Did you eat the food with them? Obinna. 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 Your parents have been looking for you all over. So, you ate this food with them? Ajonwa! Ajonwa! Agada! Iwubaro! Mbano! Igahu! Agada! Igahu! Igahu! Agada! Agada! Wo! Wo! Agada! Wo! Agada! Wo! Everybody come on! I don't know what happened to them, his family. Either my brother, his family. Hey! Hey! Wait! Hey! Hey! Piano! Hey! Hey! Piano! I don't know what happened to them, my brother and his family.
So I had to do it. I poisoned their food. That was what happened. I took over my brother's property. Even the compound where you are staying now. Everything I took over as mine.
Are you now a happy man?
I won't say yes that I'm a happy man. I am not. Since then, I have been living with that guilt. Everybody maybe see me as a happy man, but I know down inside of me, I am not, because I am just empty. I'm an empty man as I'm talking with you right now. Life is just vanity, full of vanity.
Nah, that's your own problem. My concern now is how to find my daughter Amaka.
Whatever I need do within my powers to help find your daughter, just to save my soul, I will.
Your soul? Your soul is already with the devil.
I know, you don't need to remind me that. I know. If only saving your daughter will, that's if she's still alive, will help to save my soul, I will do it. Anything, I will do it.
Then meet us tomorrow morning at the healer's place.
Okay. I am here. I hope I am not late.
They are crying. Crying to have justice. Crying to rest in peace. You. Wait here.
Me?
Yes. Don't come with us. I see a gift. and a curse coming your way. Wait here. Someone died around here, like in the compound we just passed. How do we pacify the spirit of the dead?
I am ready to make amends.
Did you hear that?
That sounds like the voice of our daughter. Any sight of her?
I've not seen her.
You know what, eh? You search on this way while I search on this way, oh? Do not forget to call on me if you hear or see anything. Oh? Okay. Oh. Jamaka!
Gods of our land, gods of justice, the time has come.
Can the blood on my hands ever be washed away? I must help find the missing girl. I must help.
Where is the soul that seek justice? Where is the soul that seek justice? I want to see you now.
let the girl go.
Isimpi. Dinabampi.
I said let the girl go. She's not who you want.
Isimpi. Dinabampi.
Go after who that murdered you and others. That is who you want. Go after the hand that is filled with blood.
Isimpi. Abaguna Bampi.
Obinna. Obinna. Your parents have been looking for you all over the village. Did you eat the food with them? Obinna. Obinna.
Please, I'm sorry. Isimpi. Abatana Bampi. Please now. Please, please. Please, please. Please, please. Please. Please, please. Please. Please, please, please. Please now, please. 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 I killed you people out of jealousy. Please. I am ready to make amends. I am ready. Please, if you have the girl, let her go. Let the girl go. She is innocent. You can do with me whatever you wish. But please, don't harm her, please. Please. Let the girl go. Let her go. Please. Let her go. Take me. Hey. Please. Please. Hey, come back here. No, come back. Come back. No, don't worry. I'll get her myself. I'll get her myself. Don't worry. Please now, please, please, please. Please. Jamaka. See, please wake up, please. Please wake up. See? You wake up. Yes, daughter. Jamaka. It's Jamaka. I'm dying, bro. Look at me. Thank you, Mario. Thank you. Jamaka. Look at me. Look at me. Are you fine? Are you good? I don't know. Are you good? I want to. Let's go. Let's go, my daughter. Izimbi Abana Bambi. Please now. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Gods of our land. God of justice. Young girl, I told you not to follow us. The spirit that returns from the land beyond bumped into you. And he left its marks on you.
Its marks?
Yes. The mark of spiritual strength.
Spiritual strength?
Powers! Powers that will make you grow younger as long as you use them.